Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another fantastic video. So today it's kind of just like an announcement, last video for the week before the weekend comes. And I realized so many of you in the comments are asking like, dude, did you ever think about making a product list for people? He's like, I would be willing to pay for ideas from you. And I watch how you do product research. And that's the funny thing is like I create all these awesome resources for you guys, and then like I just assume everyone knows about it. I make one video 4 months ago saying, hey, here it is, and then I never talk about it again. So if you go down in the link to the description, for $25 a month, and again, you don't have to do this, guys. I love making the free content. If you can't afford it, don't do it. Find your own ideas, and this is on top. You should be doing product research anyway. So by no means do you have to do this. I personally, it's okay if you don't or you do. But if you do, if you want the resource, I put out a list of about 10 products every single month, and they're always brand new from the month prior. I haven't just stockpiled 100 and I'm just pulling 10 out from a year ago. No, they're always new. I'm still, we're literally only 9 days away from the next list that comes out. And I'm still doing product research for that list. So I compile 10 new products every month that you guys will get access to. And I've been testing it lately. I've been doing this for a couple months now, and it seems like the favorite list that I've ever put out was one where I added differentiation recommendations. That kind of rhymes, differentiation recommendation. And then I also put asterisks next to the one that I thought were high potential products, right? Because out of a list of 10, maybe there's like 3 or 4 that are just like real killer products, right? And they're obviously all good ideas, or else they wouldn't have made it on the list. But it's kind of just a vetted list of things that I go through and I think are good. And I was doing product research here, and I figured I might as well switch on my webcam and my microphone and tell you guys about this because there's really not that many people. I feel like not enough people know about it. And again, it's totally up to you whether you want to do it. I love providing free content. That's what this channel is all about. Obviously, you could see that with the donation-based course, and it's like I don't have anything to prove here, but point being, if you do want that list, you can go it's even more confusing because it's called one-on-one coaching, and that's the link in the description. There is also, it's going to bring you to one-on-one coaching, but I'll make sure, now that I just said that, I'm just going to put a link in the description from now on that says monthly product picks. So go click that one, forget the monthly coaching. If you do want monthly coaching, I think I have like 5 spots left. Okay, so I take in 75 people every month. You do 30-minute calls and you get access to message me all the time. Now, with the scale and the amount of work that I do, I can't message people one-on-one for free. I could put all this content out because it reaches so many people for free, and that makes sense to do. But if you do want to talk to me in person over the webcam, get some one-on-one time, that's like the only thing that I charge for other than that list. So yeah, if you guys are interested, go ahead and grab it. Again, it's totally optional. You don't have to, but I figured, I might as well remind you guys that the resources are there if you need them. I love doing things that encourages people to start, get going, right? Biggest thing is like, you could join the list, you could join the coaching. I don't care. The biggest thing is I really want you guys to start. So whether you need to pick up Jungle Scout, whether you already have it, hopefully I could just be the one that pushes you, and then I get an email in 3 months that says, hey, I'm making $100 a day thanks to you. I've gotten plenty of those. It's the best feeling ever, and that's why I'm doing this. So that's what this channel is all about, just that community of people that are supportive. So that's going to do it for today's video, guys. I'm just, finishing up some product research here for today, and I hope to see you in the next video. If you're new here, subscribe. If you don't know who I am and you've watched this far into the video, make sure you leave a like on the video. But anyways, guys, I'll see you on Monday. Gonna try and take it easy for the weekend. I have a bunch of stuff going on with new inventory coming in. I need some information from suppliers, so I've been really busy with that. But yeah, I'll see you guys on Monday. Hopefully you guys all have a great weekend. All right, later.